Wordly Wise, Grade 5, Lesson 3. The Last Dinosaurs. When people think of dinosaurs, the one that comes to mind most frequently is Tyrannosaurus rex. This gigantic monster was almost 50 feet in length and weighed 5 tons. Tyrannosaurus rex had curved 8-inch talons on its feet. It also had a huge jaw lined with teeth as long and as sharp as steak knives. It was thought to have been the most terrifying of all the carnivorous dinosaurs. Imagine the surprise then of some scientists who were digging in eastern Utah in 1992. They found preserved in the rock the remains of a dinosaur. Not just any dinosaur, but one that could well have been a match for Tyrannosaurus rex. Named Utahraptor, this ferocious creature was only 20 feet long, but it had 12-inch hooked claws on each of its hind legs. Unlike Tyrannosaurus rex, which had surprisingly short and puny forelimbs, Utahraptor had large, powerful arms equipped with 10-inch claws. With these, it could grasp its prey and bring its victim down. Then it could slash with the terrible claws on its hind feet. Flight was not an option for an animal being attacked. The Utahraptor had sturdy back legs. It could probably outrun any other creature. But a contest between these two powerful creatures of the dinosaur world was not to be. It never took place. For one reason, all of the Utahraptors had been dead for 50 million years before Tyrannosaurus rex ever appeared. It is difficult to comprehend the vast stretch of time that dinosaurs lived on Earth. They lasted well over 150 million years. Tyrannosaurus rex was among the last of the dinosaurs. It died out 65 million years ago. Human beings have been around for only 2 or 3 million years. It will be a long time before we equal the duration of the dinosaurs' stay on Earth. No one knows why these creatures became extinct, but it seems evident from the record left in Earth's crust that it happened fairly suddenly. We know that a meteorite, a large mass of rock or metal from outer space, once hit Earth. This was in what is now Mexico, about 65 million years ago. The meteorite made a crater almost 200 miles across. Dust from an impact would have obscured the light from the sun for many weeks. The result would have been freezing temperatures. Much of Earth's plant life would have died. That would have made it difficult for many animals to survive. However, it would be premature to say for certain that this was what brought an end to the dinosaurs. Scientists are still studying the subject. Indeed, scientists in China have discovered the bones of Sinornis, a feathered dinosaur that perched and flew. This has led some to claim that this creature may be the ancestor of today's birds. If this turns out to be true, then it would be possible to say that the dinosaurs never died out at all. Thank you very much.